Well, here's part two. This hailstorm has gotten worse. You can hear it. And you can probably see it. The hail's gotten bigger. Some of it's bigger than marble size. You can just hear it banging on the roof. You can look over here on the ground and see how much bigger it is. No, probably not. Let me roll that over a little bit. See? How much bigger that's gotten? I just hope this hail doesn't get any bigger, because then it could break mirrors and crack windshields, and it could cause all kinds of damage. Not only that, but put dents and dings in the truck. I mean, this is bad. I'm still here in Ellis. I decided to just stay put. I was here because of the high winds, and see all that? Look at that. Jeez, can you hear it? Holy cow. That's something else, let me tell you. I just hope this doesn't do any damage to the truck. Later.